Hello, Ambassador. How are you? Welcome. Nice to meet you.
How are you?
And last December, 1 year ago, His Excellency Prime Minister visited Japan, and he agreed with his counterpart to elevate the relationship to comprehensive partnership. And they agreed to strengthen cooperation in a wider range of areas. And today I came here to update our cooperation. And I explained to him that there have been a lot of development last year, in this year, 2024, and including the development assistance program. And we had a lot of program in health sector, or infrastructure, or rural development. And also we have signed the memorandum of cooperation for technical intern trainee program to send Timorese young people to Japan so that they can learn Japanese technologies while they are working in Japan. And we have the number of the Timorese who went to Japan has increased, and we are going to broaden the areas for cooperation. And also, we are pleased to see more Japanese companies are interested in the private investment in Timor-Leste. And there is two important projects. One is shipbuilding project, and another one is solar power plant project. And they are moving in a positive way. And in the maritime security, we have also the concrete program to be implemented. And also Japanese language courses and the Japan study at the UNTA. So there have been a lot of developments in this year, and His Excellency Minister are very pleased to see the development, and we hope that we can do more in the coming years.